25. Okay, those aren't new. I just didn't see them before. I just wanted them and they're in my cart. I fell down this little well of happiness. I was like, you get in my cart. Cool. God, oh my God, sign me up. Okay, what is going on at IKEA? Because the photos they have, it's anything $2 anymore? That's crazy. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the House of Valentina. Man, is it a good day. I woke up this morning and I was like, I wonder what's new at IKEA. And oh my gosh, my cart, I was sitting in bed doing this. I was like, I probably need to get up. But IKEA is calling. I have 63 items that are new at IKEA that are in my basket right now. That's the best thing about IKEA. Not only can you shop in person, but you can also shop online, and their prices are insane. And they have got some of the cutest stuff I think you're going to absolutely love. So will we get to all 63? Whew, I don't know, but we're gonna try. Take a sip of coffee and let's jump in, shall we? Ooh, don't forget to be a subscriber. We passed 650,000. Oh my God. Yeah, over 650,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to every one of you who's been sharing us with your family and friends and subscribing yourself. It's amazing. Oh, and by the way, the finds today, modern, organic, cool, gorgeous, all the things that we're looking for that have that luxe designer feel. I have found them all. I'm gonna sit this down. Let's jump in, shall we? All right, let's go. So recently, the PS 2026 collection was debuted at the Milan Design Festival and just released. Okay, so as in the last few weeks, it's just released. And the best thing is there's some really good stuff in here. But that's not the only things that IKEA has released recently. I will say some of the PS 2026, I'm like the little masks, I get where they're going, it's cute, not really my thing. But some of the chairs, oh, with an inflatable seat? Okay, I didn't see that until now. I'm like, I'm not sure I'm gonna be going for that. For $199, it does look like a really cool chair. I will say, can I get that in black? I wish that IKEA would release these collections in more than one color. A lot of times they release them in like fun, like exciting colors, but some of us just want, you know, like a warm neutral. But that chair is really cool. I also think that their shelving unit, the pine one in this PS 2026 collection, is absolutely gorgeous. I would love to have that in black, although I will say that would look really good on a black wall. So I love shelving like that because I'm literally downstairs rearranging my basement, and even though it's mostly unfinished, even just having like a nice shelf up with pretty things sitting on it, it's just a Billy. Just a Billy. Those things are like eternal, right? They're so good. But I will say, having a shelf put up with beautiful pieces sitting on it, it really does look amazing. And we're gonna find some decor pieces we could put on this that would look even better. But for $299 for a 63, let's see, a 63 by 63, it's a nice big piece. It's about as big as me. And that would look absolutely amazing in a hallway. The bright blue chair from the PS 2026 collection. Oh my God, such a cool chair. I would love, yet again, to have that in white boucle, black boucle, I mean, even brown, right? That would be so cool in brown. For $89, that is an awesome, awesome piece. Now, we'll tell you what they did come out in black, and that is their plates in the Stockholm. That's actually Stockholm 2025. Okay, those aren't new. I just didn't see them before. I just wanted them, and they're in my cart. I would say also the Odger chair in the anthracite. Oh my God, so cool. I've actually owned that chair and put that into quite a few projects in the bluish color. I don't know if they still have the blue color, but the black, love it. Now, one of the new chairs, they came out with more colors, is the Duveling. Sorry to all of my Swedish viewers, you literally just butchering these names. I always say these with a Danish pronunciation, and that's literally like the worst, that's the worst way to do it. But for $199, this chair is available in the black, and it's also available in white boucle. So it is absolutely gorgeous. I love the sculptural legs. I actually love the shot that they took of this chair in beige. See, they went from having it in orange and green to them releasing it in black and now in beige. And I'm like, sign us up, because the thing that I've always loved about IKEA is that they're all about the democratization of design. So don't leave us out, IKEA. We want things in warm neutrals. I mean, some of their stuff that they've got right now with the organic modern style, these pieces work seamlessly with that style. I mean, they are so beautiful with it. You need those modern pieces that really just create that mood and that atmosphere, that something special. And that's why I think IKEA can deliver that to our homes with literally to the door, but they give us options for items that normally would be very expensive. And that chair is one of them, because that is only $199. For that gorgeous chair. It's amazing. I was sitting here wondering, where on earth was this backnate table lamp? Why have I not seen this? Because it does not say that it is new, but for $29.99, I want it. It is definitely in my cart, and I'm just gonna order it. The Blom Pract as well doesn't say that it's new. It says it has a Bluetooth speaker lamp built into it for $59.99. That lamp, I went hunting for it. I saw it in the back of a different photo, and I was like, where is that? I want that piece. That is so cool. That is the kind of lighting that I am looking for. As a girl who absolutely loves sculptural lighting, and if you could add the word cool factor, I just absolutely love something that's got something different, something special, something stand out about it. That lamp is it. Oh my God, the Pill Scott LED pendant lighting. What on earth? Where has that been? $189? I mean, that is amazing. That would be so cool over an island or over a desk, over your dining table. I mean, the options. I also love the track lighting, the SOOO Rup track lighting. I'm thinking about putting lighting like that down in my basement, because I need to take you guys down there and show you. It hasn't looked very nice for a while. It's just been full of a bunch of stuff basically and not very well put together. But Jack and I have literally spent 2 weeks cleaning it out, and we're not even done yet. So I'm transforming that space into a studio for us to have, because we just miss it. And so we're gonna have that new studio space, and I don't think I'm gonna finish out the ceiling down there. I've had it open this whole time, and I sprayed the whole thing out black, and this would be perfect for down there. Although I will say the Kranz Salia is how you'd say that in Danish, I don't know. The 5 light pendant, that would look so cool over a desk area. It'd be so cool in a studio or a creative space, but also in your dining room or over, like you could even have 2 of them if you have a really long island. Oh my God, so good, right? I also like the Vic Hammer. That's one of my favorite pieces. The Sam Riss Hom. Love that piece as well. What is it with me and all the not new items? It's because I fell down this little well of happiness. I was like, and you get in my cart, and you get in my cart, and you get in my cart. Cood Lava as well for $17.99. Is this a new piece? Like, I'm just trying to figure out. No, it doesn't say new. I'm like, where has this been? The white pleated lamp. That may not be listed as new, but it is new to me, and that is gorgeous, and I am so buying that. I love sculptural pieces like that, and those work really well on like if you've got like a media cabinet and you want to put a light there and you want it to stay low, that is perfect, and it'll give a warm ambient glow. It's gonna be gorgeous. Then you're gonna need some decor. We've been filling up our spaces with Billy bookcases. We've got some open shelving. I've got more coming in a minute, but the Hustle bucket, That planter comes in 2 different colors and they are both amazing. I love that stoneware look to it. It's gonna be perfect with all of our organic textures. It's still got a modern shape to it though, and whether you wanna put a plant in it or not, it really doesn't matter because it just looks absolutely amazing. A lot of times I don't use those for plants. I use them for like as a vase or just as a sculptural piece sitting on a shelf. The Lila Setta is new and it's only $3.99 and it is beautiful. I have a similar chair in my bedroom and I have a really hard time finding a slipper chair that looks in any way similar to that chair. Mine is from CB2 from a couple years ago. This one looks so similar. And yeah, I was like, and! I was like, wait a minute, maybe I better check. It does, it swivels. I love a swivel chair and mine does not swivel. So I'm gonna be passing on the bright blue. I'm okay with supporting someone who loves that. They've also got the Lila Setta, the 5-seat sectional. $14.99, oh my God. Okay, they need to come out with that in the beige as well, don't you think? Because, yeah, oh, I mean, this is really cute. This is literally what I'm looking for downstairs. $14.99 is such a good price for this piece. Oh, and at first I thought it was leather and I was like, I like it, but I wish it was boucle. It's boucle. Another place that I always say, check out IKEA for, another thing I always say, check out IKEA for, let's try this over again. Another thing I always say that's good to shop for at IKEA is the rugs because they make amazing rugs. The quality is insane. Like, it's so good. It's on another level of what you're getting at most places. And they're not giving you like thin, crummy little rugs for these prices. They're giving you really good rugs for really good prices. And they just came out with a couple that are new. You have the Geo Log that is only $3.49 for basically an 8x10. That's insane. Got the Tio Krona. Again, 8x10 for $129. What the heck? That's a nice flat woven rug. Put that thing with another piece from that PS 2026 collection, that pine cabinet, oh my God. That is so beautiful. I gotta say, it is a little pricey. It is $9.98, but it is made out of pine. And that woven bit on the front, oh man, I would definitely put that on like a dark wall. Be still my heart. While we're adding things to the cart, they came out with the Fogel Fialol wardrobe with 2 doors and it is in black oak for $249. Do you know how cheap that is? Like, I can outfit my basement for so little and have several of those in there. It's in my cart. Same from that collection. They also have a bed frame. Oh my God, sign me up. Okay, the Oop Pokra sofa. Okay, this is absolutely gorgeous. That is what I was like, whoa, what is going on at IKEA? Because the photos they have to go with this, I love them. I love the sofa. I love the color that they've got in the photo in this sort of brown beige. I also love the fact that it actually comes in several colors as well. You can also get that in a light off-white color. You can get it in gray. You can get it in a couple blue shades. But that brown beige with the black feet, that is really cute. It's under $2,000 for a nice chaise piece. Now, I will say that the one I have from West Elm that does have down in it is about the same price. I'll leave mine linked as well. I'll let you guys decide. You'll have to tell me which one you think you would do. So good. And yeah, I was looking at their linen duvet sets. Their linen just in general. I love their sateen sheets. They are amazing. If you haven't watched my IKEA playlist, you should go check it out because I share so many little nuggets that are so good at IKEA. Yeah, that's what we say when we're here. So I was gonna have some very upset people if I did not squeeze that in somewhere in this video. But their deep plate bowl for $2. Oh my God, is anything $2 anymore? That's crazy. I love their I love their Av Hall, their LED portable light. It comes in silver tone and in the matte black, and the Nissa 4s. Oh my God, the utility card for $24.99. I'm pretty sure no, that's already my cart. I'm definitely gonna get that. I put the store Clinta in here as well. That one is not a new piece, but they came out with a sage green, and I just had to give that a shout out because my daughter Haley will have to have that. That is her favorite color. It does come in black as well. I just think that IKEA, it's such a fun place to shop, isn't it? It's such a fun experience. So the torment is just place your order and have it shipped to the house, or you can also place the order and go and pick it up. But honestly, I may go ahead and just I'm gonna just buy it. That sofa may be coming home with me. So I will report back. You'll have to let me know which piece is going in your cart, which ones you're buying. Let me know also if you have a store near you or if you like to just order and have it sent straight to your house. We didn't used to have that option. So that's kind of cool because before they had like a few things that were available, but not everything could be shipped. And now everything was in my cart just then. So I might need to narrow down the lighting just a little bit. I don't want to. Don't be surprised if you see a lot of that coming into the house in the next couple weeks because I'm really committed to finishing off the basement. That's a project that has been driving me crazy, and now we're really close actually. So it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna have new spaces to share with you in the coming days ourselves, but I would love to know what projects you're working on and how these pieces are just what you were looking for, right? I bet there's a lot of you that are like, that is just perfect for your living rooms, your bedrooms, all the different spaces of your home. IKEA really is just such a great option. We've enjoyed so many of our pieces over the years. We still have our dressers. We still have so much of our lighting. Every time I see the lighting, I'm like, I'm so glad I bought this. I have some pieces that I've owned literally a decade. Some of the lighting, sadly, I had to leave behind in Denmark, but like I still have pillow inserts from there, pillow covers, their velvets, their linen pillow covers, they're so good. I still own their bedding sets, like the rugs, the dinnerware, the flatware, it's so good. And it's so affordable, and I just love that. So I am thinking that we will need to go and visit the store soon, but in the meantime, I'm gonna place my order, and I'm dying to hear what you guys are gonna order from today as well. Ooh, I didn't look at the candle section. Another section to check out while I'm at it, but I hope you'll hit subscribe. I hope you'll check out our IKEA playlist. So many great pieces, so many great classics that really just become those building blocks. We have literally built our home with so many pieces from IKEA, and it's just such a game changer when you can find something that really just fits that style that you're after, and you can do it on a budget. That is amazing. So I hope you will hit subscribe, and I hope I will see you guys in the next one. Cheers and bye for now.